Hey cake nieces, let me put my hood on because this is me in the coronavirus. Hey Bookie. Okay. You want to say hi to the cake nieces? Go ahead. Hey cake nieces, it's Marisha. We're in the house. I'm gonna be coming out with so many videos. I am home. I'm so happy about it. People keep saying, how are you holding up? Girl, I am great. I've never been better. I love staying home. I don't like working for another man. You know what I mean? I'm glowing from the inside out. You're probably gonna be seeing many random videos from me. So if you've ever made a cake and like put your all into it, or any project, it almost hurts to have to throw it away, which is why I end up keeping my cakes for a while, for a long time sometimes. I'm not trying to be a cake hoarder. You know, I figured instead of just tossing my cakes out, I might as well show me taking them apart. This video is actually just gonna be a compilation of me destroying my cakes or slicing into my cakes. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Press on the notification bell. And let's get started. Hi Betty Boop, you're first up. What's the first thing that you do when you relax? You take your earrings off. And then once you take your earrings off, you just take off your contacts, your green, because you know her eyes are brown, okay? And then you take off your lipstick and your lips. This kind of looks like the skeleton of Betty Boop. It looks like something out of that movie Coco, that Disney movie. And then she's just we're gonna peel off her skin. Hey baby Yoda. Looking so cute. Yeah, baby Yoda is rock solid. He's been chilling, hanging around here for a long time. He's nothing but a crouton wrapped in fondant at this point. I think if you ever need a cast, you can make one homemade by using fondant. Ah, the nachos. Yeah, I've had this cake for about 4 months. I'm sorry. That frosting on top is nothing but a rock. Crouton cake once again. Gorgeous flowers. Now these are fresh and soft. Let's see how this sounds. Okay, well they're not that fresh, but they're fresher than the 4-month-old nachos. This is pretty much what winter does to spring. We get all these gorgeous blooming flowers, and then here comes winter, destroying everything in sight and crumbling it up and then throwing it in the trash. And then we'll see it again next year. Sorry. I made a barbell out of the cones. Fish and chips. Now this is different, you know, because these are already you could just pick them apart and eat them, but I just had to put them in this video because they're so cool. And yeah, we finished the whole plate. Yep. Mac and cheesecake. I could have really dug into this because this cake did hang around the house for about 2 or 3 weeks. I just had to look at it every day. Oh, Gingy. Oh, I'm sorry. I just had to rip that leg back off. This is the chocolate cheesecake. It was so decadent and it was low carb. Oh, flashbacks. Chocolate chip cookie cheesecake. That was amazing. Oh, hey, Pennywise. Yeah, you deserve this. Those buck teeth of yours. Blueberry lemon. Wait, is it blueberry lemon? No, it's just blueberry cheesecake with parsley on top, you guys. Because I didn't have mint, but I wanted you guys to get the idea, you know, of what the mint will look like. So I put some parsley on there. Some cilantro, actually, to be honest. But it looks delicious. Oh, spaghetti. Who doesn't love the genie? Both Will Smith and Robin Williams. That got creepy really quickly. This cake was so delicious. I could go for a slice of that right about now. This is my other birthday cake when I wasn't worried about low carbs and sugar. The inside of that is literally perfection. Literally. This is the cake that I baked on the grill. Not as much perfection, but it is still edible. Hey, Belle. Not so beautiful with your skirt cut into now, are you? I could go for a cup of chai tea right about now. And some chai tea cake. Nothing more romantic than cutting a slice out of a heart. Oh, I love this. Check out this snap. Couture and a bunch of cakes that I've destroyed. Bye, guys. I love the sounds, especially in those nachos. Hop on Facebook and join my group, Cakenista Crew, and let's chat about what we are doing to keep ourselves busy during the pandemic. For random tools that I use often on this channel, you can check the description for all the Amazon links. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. If you have, I don't really wanna go, I don't really wanna go. Because the lyrics are, I don't really want to stay, I don't really want to go, but I do want to stay, so. I'll see you guys in the next video, which may come out tomorrow. Another one the next day and another one the next day, because we're home. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, Cakenistas. How creepy is that? What if somebody tried to shut you up like this? Shh, shut up. I would knock them out.